name?
你叫什么名字？
Sorry, my Chinese is not good.
不好意思，我的中文不好。
Thank you.
谢谢，
Your Chinese is very good.
你的中文很好。
Can you speak English?
你会说英语吗？
How are you?
你怎么样？
Can you say it again?
可不可以再说一遍？
Where do you come from?
你从哪里来？ All right, y'all. It is day 10 of trying to learn Mandarin. And I've been writing an essay all day. I still got more to write. And I almost forgot to do the phrase of the day. And today I learned 你多大? That probably sounds completely wrong. It means how old are you? But just trying to stay accountable by small and simple means are great things brought to pass. 再见。
妈马马马
妈妈妈妈
Okay, so I will teach you a phrase in Chinese for girls, which is "You're beautiful." It's 你很漂亮，
你还表演，
你很漂亮。
你表
Which like first is 你 you 你 like I mean N words 你
你
很
和
很
漂
漂
亮
亮
亮
亮
亮
yeah
你和很漂亮
yes 你很漂亮 yeah
你
say
很
that to the girls yeah yeah
Nice to meet you in Chinese. 很高兴认识你，很高兴认识你，很高兴认识你。
很高兴认识你，很高兴认识你。
What are you doing?
你在干嘛？
What did you do today?
你今天做了什么？你今天做了什么？
What do you like to eat most?
你最喜欢吃什么？你最喜欢吃什么？
Chinese is super easy. 猜踩踩菜 Got it?
在。
Thanks for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1、2、3、4、5。
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。
Where are you going?
你去哪儿？ You know what, guys? Gonna be honest, I almost forgot about the daily phrase, but I did have the opportunity to talk to a friend named Chen, and he was teaching me some Mandarin today. But as I've heard people say, if you want someone to keep going, you say, 加油, 加油. So, yeah, that's my phrase of the day. 再见. All right, it's currently 2:30 a.m. I don't want to talk about it. We're gonna count this as yesterday's, even though it's technically today, but it doesn't matter because 我很兴奋. Did I say that right? 再见.
Let's go to the park together, shall we?
我们一起去公园玩，好不好?
I am from Canada.
我来自加拿大。